This is my secret to making mess-free candles that look beautiful and unique in just a couple of minutes. Hi, I'm Katie Veldkamp, co-founder of Simply Earth and certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching people how to make natural products that you can use every day in your home. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make your own rolled beeswax candles. Turn off distractions, making is healing. Let's make this warm honey rolled beeswax candle from Simply Earth. Before I tell you what you need, I just want to make sure you know that we at Simply Earth are obsessed with making it super easy to make your own products. And that's why if you subscribe to our monthly recipe box, you'll get the ingredients you need for this recipe, plus 5 more delivered straight to your door. We'll even throw in a big bonus box when you subscribe. You can also find the ingredients I mentioned for this recipe at our website, simplyearth.com. I'm going to be grabbing my ingredients from the Simply Earth DIY candle box. For this recipe, we are going to be using 3 beeswax sheets and a wick that comes together in this bag. And we're also going to be using cassia essential oil to scent our candle. From your home, you'll also want some candle holders to hold your candle. And you're going to want a cotton ball or paper towel or something similar to that as well. For this video, I will teach you how to make 3 different candles. So we're gonna take our beeswax sheets, which are made up of 100% beeswax, which is really fun because the light that comes from beeswax candles is most similar to sunlight. You have dark winter days ahead of you. Beeswax candles can help bring some light into your home. I'm first gonna scent our beeswax sheets with essential oils. Beeswax sheet candles don't do great with scenting them because you're not melting the wax. You're keeping your wax solid, so you don't melt the wax and then add your oils and stir it in. So to make sure our essential oil is safely distributed across the wax, I'm gonna add a few drops to each sheet and then spread it out using a paper towel. You can also use a cotton ball or pastry brush or something similar to that. So I'm taking a paper towel and I'm just gonna kind of dab the essential oils across the wax. Essential oils are flammable, so we want the essential oil spread across the wax so that our candle can burn safely. And this is pure essential oil, it's not diluted with anything. So I wanna be careful not to get it on to my hands as well. Cassia, if it comes into contact with your skin, is gonna create a temporary burning sensation and make your skin red and irritated. It typically subsides within an hour, and if that happens, you can just wash the area with soap and water, add some carrier oil to soothe that area of skin. So now I can decide if I want a long skinny candle or a shorter smaller candle. I'll do a shorter smaller candle for this sheet of beeswax. So I'm gonna take my wick, lay it along the edge of my sheet, and then trim it with a scissors. Now I wanna be careful not to get the essential oil on my hands because cassia is pretty irritating. I'm gonna put on a pair of gloves and then roll this up. So now I'm going to tightly fold the wax over the wick, and then I'm going to tightly and evenly roll the wax up, kind of like a sleeping bag or pizza crust. I'm gonna do this as evenly as possible to prevent air pockets. And if you notice, while you roll it up, the wax starts to split. That is because it's a little cold, the wax, so you can just warm it up with your hands, or if you have a blow dryer, you can quick blow that onto the wax and continue rolling. You can use the heat from your hands, push the wax back together to fix any splits that happen. I'm just gonna press the seam of the wax to make sure it's nice and secure. I've got a little bit of an extra wick on the bottom. I can just press that into the candle. And it's done, a mess-free candle that looks really unique and pretty in just a matter of seconds. If I wanted to make that wider candle I mentioned earlier, I can just add this beeswax sheet to this candle and continue rolling to make a thicker candle. So we've got our first candle done. We can repeat the same process with the 2 other sheets of beeswax. So I'll make another shorter candle. For this last one, we'll do a long skinny candle. Sometimes I'll have people ask me if they can drop the essential oils along the wick of the candle. We don't recommend doing that because essential oils are flammable, and putting them along the wick can cause it to burn really fast or really bright and create an unsafe candle. We want to make sure that essential oil is distributed across the whole wax. You can also skip the essential oil to have an unscented candle. Once these candles are made, they are ready to burn. You just need to put them in a candle holder. You'll also want to trim the wicks so that they're 1/4 of an inch long. And make sure you're practicing good candle safety. Burn them within sight, away from pets and kids, and away from wind. Let's test them out. When you place them in the candle holder, make sure to press down on the candles to make sure that they are firmly in place before lighting them. And you can make this too. Get everything you need with Simply Earth's recipe box. I love to see your creations, so when you make this candle, take a picture and share it with #IMadeThis and tag from Simply Earth, and you will automatically be entered into our #IMadeThis contest. You can find the rules below this video. Give this video a like and be sure to follow for more natural recipes just like this.